On behalf of TVLesson.com, I'm Dr. Robert Hernandez, licensed psychologist and president and founder of La Farfalla Retreat House. Let's talk a little bit about meditation. There are many studies that tell us there are many health benefits of taking the time to meditate. One of the studies even mentions that meditation could be very beneficial to lowering high blood pressure, to reducing stress, and also really to help us be comfortable in our own bodies. The first suggestion I have for meditation is separating at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes is good to start with as you're meditating. There's different types of meditation. The first one is a visual technique where you take either a picture of a landscape, an icon of a saint, or you can even light a candle. You keep your eyes open and you focus on whatever it is that you've decided to use as your object. As you're focusing and you're keeping your eyes open, you take the time to breathe and notice your breath. You'll notice right away that you'll start to relax. You'll notice your muscles start to relieve tension. Another type of meditation is the transcendental type, where you use the aham method, where you actually look at something or you keep your eyes closed, focusing on your breath, and repeat the which is what people think of as the primitive sound, or it's a way of connecting to the universe at large. No matter which type of meditation technique you use, if you start with 5 minutes and work your way up to 30 minutes, you'll start to notice an increase in overall health. You'll feel better mood. If you do suffer from hypertension, you could see that start to reduce significantly. And whatever steps you take for meditation, make sure you begin today. On behalf of TVLesson.com, this is Dr. Robert Hernandez. Thank you for watching.